The median sales price rose 15.8% from last year this same time to $414,750. It's Friday, November 15th, 2024. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty. This is the Maryland Eastern Shore Report. The year-to-date home prices are up 7% to $380,000 from last year as more listings flow to the market. Active inventory for sale remains consistent at 1,841, while coming soon dropped to 87. New contracts fell to 145, going under contract in 28 days. 114 homes settled at 97.5% list to sold ratio with a days on the market of 18. Lease inventory fell to 21 for lease at $2,400 median per month. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for Friday, November 15th, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.